Hey everybody, Matt with Nowaskey Suspension. On our Tech Tip Tuesday video today, I am here because Pete's actually in Florida filming a YouTube installation video with our good friend Chris. So today I wanted to update you guys on some website changes actually. We have just launched a new website. It is a lot better than the last one, but we're still adding some changes every single day, and it'll get better and better as time goes on. The one thing that we did add on there is a form on the home page, and I believe we're gonna put it on all the different shock pages. So if you guys have questions about shocks and what you need based off of your rider weight or rider's weight, you can put in all that information. There's a list of questions there, kind of what you're looking for, what you have now, what you're not happy about. Of course, name, email, phone number, and I think over time we'll probably even develop that form to help us a little bit more. That's just so that we can kind of look at all the information that you guys have and quickly say, okay, Chris would need blank, and it maybe doesn't always have to be Pete or myself giving you a call back. We can kind of hand that off to someone else so that they can get a hold of you much faster than just we could. We have been massively overwhelmed with customer communication because we're trying to get everybody trained up that we're hiring, and a lot of these questions are a little bit more complex. We just only have so much time in the day to talk on the phone and run a business. So these forms are helping a lot. We've had this form live for a couple of weeks, and there's like quite a few people that have actually used it already, which we're really happy to see, and we can kind of just run down the line and get everybody knocked out and get them the information that they need to be able to make a purchase. That just frees up a lot of our time so that we can spend it in many different ways to make your guys' experience better. So check out our new website. We're adding tons of product on there every day, and it's improving a lot. It's much better than the last one, and it will just continue to get better daily. For now, make sure you guys leave a like and a comment. Let us know what you think of the form or the new website, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.